A virus is a small infectious organism, much smaller than a fungus or bacterium, that must invade a living cell to reproduce, replicate. The virus attaches to a cell called the host cell, enters the cell, and releases its DNA or RNA inside the cell. The virus's DNA or RNA is the genetic material containing the information needed to replicate the virus. The virus's genetic material takes control of the host cell and forces it to replicate the virus. The infected cell usually dies because the virus keeps it from performing its normal functions. When the infected host cell dies, it releases new viruses, which go on to infect other cells. Viruses are classified as DNA viruses or RNA viruses, depending on whether they use DNA or RNA to replicate. DNA viruses include herpes viruses. RNA viruses include SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19. RNA viruses also include retroviruses such as HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. RNA viruses, particularly retroviruses, are prone to mutate, meaning the set of genetic instructions that contain all the information that the virus needs to function can change as the virus spreads. Some viruses do not kill the cells they infect, but instead alter the cell's functions. Sometimes the infected cell loses control over normal cell division and becomes cancerous. Some viruses, such as hepatitis B virus and hepatitis C virus, can cause chronic infections. Chronic hepatitis can last for years, even decades. In many people, chronic hepatitis is quite mild and causes little liver damage. However, in some people, it eventually results in cirrhosis, severe scarring of the liver, liver failure, and sometimes liver cancer. Viruses usually infect one particular type of cell. For example, common cold viruses infect only cells of the upper respiratory tract. Additionally, most viruses infect only a few species of plants or animals. Some infect only people.